How do I troubleshoot a generator that won't start? Have you ever found yourself in a situation where your generator just won't start while living aboard your boat? It can be frustrating, but don't worry. Let's walk through some steps to troubleshoot this issue. First, we need to check the battery and electrical connections. Start by verifying the battery voltage. If the battery is weak or dead, that could be the reason your generator won't crank. Next, inspect the battery cables and connections for any signs of corrosion or looseness. These issues can prevent power from reaching the starter. While you are trying to start the generator, check if the starter is receiving voltage. If it isn't, there may be wiring or switch problems that need attention. If the generator does not crank at all, it's time to look at the starter motor and fuses. Disconnect the wire at the starter and see if the fuse blows when you attempt to start it. You can also test the starter motor by grounding its housing and applying power to see if it turns. A faulty starter or blown fuse can definitely stop the generator from cranking. Now, if your generator cranks but won't start, the fuel system could be the culprit. Check the primary fuel filter for clogs and replace it if it looks dirty. Make sure there is fuel in the tank and that the fuel lines are not blocked or leaking. It's also essential to confirm that the fuel pump is working correctly. If the generator was running and suddenly stopped, you should check for overheating issues. Look at the water lift muffler temperature. It should be warm but not hot. Overheating can occur due to a fouled seawater strainer, a failed impeller in the seawater pump, or a blocked intake seacock. Inspect and clean the seawater strainer, check the impeller for any damage, and ensure that seawater flow is adequate. Mechanical checks are also important. Rotate the engine manually with a wrench to ensure it is not seized. Listen for any unusual noises during cranking that might indicate internal mechanical problems. Regular use and maintenance of your generator are key to preventing starting issues. Generators that sit unused for long periods are more prone to problems. Make sure to follow routine maintenance schedules, including oil changes and filter replacements, and run the generator under load periodically. Lastly, keep in mind that corroded power or ground cables can cause intermittent starting problems. Inspect and clean all electrical connections. If your generator starts after running for a while but fails after sitting, battery charge retention or fuel contamination might be factors to consider. By systematically checking these areas, you can identify and resolve most generator no-start problems aboard your boat. Remember, regular operation and maintenance are essential for reliable power while living aboard.